You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to get your Bybit UID number, okay, or your Bybit UID account number, okay. With that number, that is your transaction number, okay. All right, so let's get started. So open your Bybit wallet. Here it is, okay, and make sure you are home here. You can see the bottom bar, and then click on exchange. Is already on exchange, as you can see. Okay, it is very easy. Your ID number is visible to you, just that you might not really know where it is because you are not used to the interface yet. Okay, so and the next thing you want to do is click on your profile picture, that is icon here at the top left. Click on it. All right, after clicking on it, you can see your ID under your email address. Okay, so if to get it clearly, just tap on the email address. Tap on it. Sorry, tap on the email. Just tap on the email address here. Okay, so this is your ID here. Is also pronounced here. Okay, so to copy it, just tap on this small icon here by the UID number. Tap on it to copy it. Copy it and go and paste it on your notepad or your email. Save it somewhere, okay, so that you can get it handy at all time. So this is just how to get your Bybit UID number. All right, thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Before leaving, subscribe to my channel, and then the description of this video, you are going to see list of airdrops that which you can participate on, genuine airdrops. All right, so thank you. See you on my next video.